Hi students, so let's take a look at the chart assignment that we did some time back and see how we can apply the if-else logic on it, okay? So this chart, this was like the program talking to a person, okay? And this program, okay, asked the person about their name and the year they were born, and then also their parents' year of birth, and then just say that, okay, oh, so your parent is that years older than you, because the assumption here, and it's logical to assume that your parent is always older than the child, okay? So let's say, for example, that up here on line 14, I could put something like my age. So the age of this program, I say my age is 12. So I'm this 12 years old, okay? So how about if I wanted to say whether, hey, nice to meet you, so you are this years old and your name is this character long. You could also say, oh, and you are this older than me, or I am this older than you, okay? So let's check. Are they older than you, or are you older than them? So we'll check if age is less than, now their age is less than my age, okay? If their age is less than my age, then we should just put it and say, and you, and I am older than you, okay? By how many? Let me just say by older than you, okay? I'll give you this as an assignment to say older by how many years, okay? But for now, it's just I'm older than you, else print you are older than me, okay? We still can say, and you are older than me, and you are older than me, okay? So if age, which is the age of the person we're chatting with, is less than my age, okay, then I am older than them. So okay, so and I am older than you, else you are older than me. How about if they're equal? So that one, I'll leave it as something to think about. If they happen to be equal and the same 12 years, what will you do? So that's something I'll leave it for you to work on. So the assignment here is this. Here's the assignment. Assignment is that you modify the program to print out how much older they are, or you are to them, right? Okay, to them. So e.g., basically what I'm saying is e.g., you'll say, and you are 10 years older than me if they're 22, okay? Or, and I am 2 years older than you if they're 10, okay? So just the continuation of this. So you need just to modify this line to be able to display out this, instead of just saying I'm older than you or you're older than me. So that's the only assignment I want to give you. Very minor assignment. I've already done half of it for you. I put the age here, and I did the if else. Now it's up to you to just do this small change, okay? And just to clarify, maybe if this is not clear by now, you see that when you're doing if, we put a colon here, okay? Colon. This is called a colon. And then, because this is already doing tabbing for me, this is called a tab, or you can put 4 spaces. You can say that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you're just typing manually, you'll do something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. But this on the program itself, the IDE, which is Visual Studio Code, really helps me already. But if you are typing manually or by hand, you leave some space, about 4 spaces, then you write print.